Okay, so we are going to go over the first problem here from our fraction pre-assessment. So we have 3/5 plus 1/2. Okay, so I always like to do problems a couple of different ways for students who have had a little trouble. So first way we're going to take a look at this is to really look at it conceptually. Okay, so what does it mean to add 3/5 plus 1/2? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 3/5 and I'm going to draw it in a square. Not a great square, but we'll have to make do. So the first thing I have to do is cut this square into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And I'm going to shade 3 of them. Okay, so this square is 1, so this is 3/5 of the square. The other square, I'm going to make 1/2, and I'm actually going to draw it the opposite way. So this is half of the square. So right now I can't add these because they're not the same size, right? I don't know what 3/5 plus 1/2 is. If I put that over here, would it fill in the whole thing? Would it be more than the whole square? I'm not sure. So what I need to do is I need to make these slices and this slice the same size. So here's what I'm going to do. This value stays the same, but I'm going to cut this square in half. Okay. This square, I'm going to cut it into fifths, going up and down like this one was. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you draw 4 lines, you get fifths. Now they're all the same size, and now I can just count them. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of these shapes. But what is this shape? How much is it? Well, if this whole square is 1, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each one of these little rectangles or slices is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many of them do we have if we had 3/5 and 1/2? We have 6 and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was the 3/5. And 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, we ran out of room. We need to add 1 more tenth. Okay, so there's 6 and 5, 11. Right, I have 6 and 5, that's 11. So how many do I have? I have 11 tenths. And here I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths. And here I had 5 tenths. The other way we can envision this is 1 whole and 1/10. Oh, look at that. These are the same. Okay? So you obviously don't want to have to do this every single time. Draw these pictures. So what could we actually do without drawing the pictures? Well, basically, we can take the 3/5 and we can take the 1/2, and we have to make the sizes, the denominators, the same. And here's how I do that. I multiply the 2 by 5, which means I have to multiply the 1 by 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Right? And the 3/5, what did I do to the 3/5? I cut it in half, so I multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. So my 3/5 became 6/10. My 1/2 became 5/10. How many tenths do I have? I have 6 plus 5. I have 11 tenths, which is the same as 10 tenths plus 1/10, and this is 1. So my answer is 1 1/10. Okay, this is visually, conceptually what we're doing. This is just using the algorithm. Okay, you have to have common denominators to add or subtract fractions. We have to make the slices the same size so we can add them.